Hello humans, I hand drew all of this just to tell you a story. So here's the behind the scenes. I like doing the animation story time videos. They're a lot of work, but I love doing them and I love telling stories. Yeah, so all these are hand drawn. Because AI, AI can do a lot of things, but it cannot hand draw. I can feed it my hand drawings and get stuff, but I hand drew all this, so this is human made, no AI involved. This is my favorite line from the entire video. It's the excursions were like an oasis in the midst of the desert. It's my favorite line in that video. And here's how I did it. I know this is overkill, but I think this is a fun way to show how it is. I have a camera, the background, that's all it's doing. I have a color gradient on it, and that's about it. Excursions really were like an oasis in the midst of the desert. It was like a breath of fresh air. Water. Ooh, my favorite drawing. Just a texture background, color gradient. This is the background and the cube falling. Let me know if you thought that these were hand drawn when you saw them. I don't think they're like 30 views, so not a lot of people saw that. You know, when this happened, I just couldn't believe my eyes. I was afraid that the cube would break. When I was actually in the race, I was really afraid because the cube broke many times before, like during the practice. But in the race, I got a new cube. It was crazy. The hardest section. I think the hardest section to actually do was the stupid car. Where is it? And we arrived to a mass of these two stupid shots. This one and this one, where I give up. The return car is just the same car, pretending to be going backwards. Oh my goodness. Now this is a node graph indeed. The ground is just a flat plane with lines going through with a bulge on it. It's quite annoying to do. Difficult shot and it looks garbage. A lot of people are watching videos. If you're watching it, let me know. Leave a comment down below. I hand drew all this, so this is human made, no AI involved. And I say that, but the only reason I actually even did this was because my Huion, hold on. Dang it. I have a Huion tablet and a pencil. I think the pen is broken, so I couldn't draw like I usually did. All my older animations were all done there. I found that there's an app called Super Display that works incredibly well. So every other video would probably be digitally drawn. I have more stories to tell. So subscribe for more content and have a nice day.